Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to talk about what an abandoned baby is versus a island reversal. Okay, they're kind of very similar, but they're different. And I'm going to just kind of give you a quick little rundown exactly of what they are. And hopefully this will be able to help you to be able to identify these when they happen and actually take action to do something once you see it. So what we're looking at is the E-mini S&P futures from it's Friday, February 19th, 2021. You're probably seeing this video on Tuesday, or if you're looking at it later on in the future. What happened was this was President's Day weekend, that Monday, right? Because remember, the stock market's closed, but the futures market, S&P futures, were open. So what happened was this was Friday. We ran up into the close on Friday, closed, okay? Sunday night, we gapped higher into, Monday, sorry, because this is regular trading hours. So at regular at 6:30 on Monday morning, which would have been President's Day we opened and it was a short session. And what happened was we kind of gapped up, went sideways, closed, and then on Tuesday morning at 6:30, I'm here in Las Vegas, so it's Pacific time. That'd be 9:30 Eastern time. What happened was we gapped lower, and as you could see, all of this price action is all by itself. Okay, this is, and we never came back to refill, not even touch the low of that day, right? And so what happened was we kind of opened, went sideways, fell, tried to rally, couldn't get above this morning's high, right? Tuesday's high, and then when we fell apart. And this is what's called a abandoned baby. Okay, think of it this way. A baby is one person, very small, right? So that is one day. Okay, now an island reversal would just be if let's say we had multiple days of this. Okay, where we gap up and then we go sideways, and then we have, like on Wednesday, we gap down. So let's say we had this day, and then all of a sudden we gap down. Let's say this day wasn't even here, right? We never filled this gap and we never would have filled this gap, right? And then we would start to fall. And that's what island reversal would just be multiple days. That's it. Nothing big, nothing crazy. So I hope that kind of helps. And just so if you ever hear what island reversal or an abandoned baby is, but where is the trade set up if you see these? And that's kind of the second most important thing about this video is once you kind of see price can't get up there, and then we kind of maybe rally back up, okay, try and look for a entry to enter somewhere maybe halfway back. Okay, if you fall, you see this bounce and you go, hey, this market feels weak, you could get short here and your stop would be right above the high of the abandoned baby, or if there's an island reversal, it'd be above that, but the highest peak. And so essentially you could maybe say, hey, let me risk this right here, right? This is what your risk would have been, and you could duplicate that and maybe look for a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1, right? Risk reward on that type of trade or trail stop or whatever. But once you see that and you see prices having a hard time get back up there to even just fill the bottom of the gap, okay, and with the low, and that's kind of your telltale to get bearish and to kind of see what happens. And as you could see over the next couple of days, price just kept failing and failing. So I hope this video helps you. That is difference again. An abandoned baby is one day, a gap up, sideways, a gap down. Okay. Island reversal would be a gap up, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, multiple days, and then a gap down, and then a continuation lower. So as always, thank you for watching my videos, and make sure you guys check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/daytradingfearless. But until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.